Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a lock screen by using a pin option in our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So we need to go to the settings, scroll down to lock screen options right here, and lock type is at the top. To set up a pin, we have at least 6 digits. It's recommended, but we can use 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, continue. Yes, it's easy, but use it anyway. Repeat 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, my bad. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And now it's done. Remote lock, no thank you. Let's test our screen lock right now. One, two, three, four. Okay. And it works. Very easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.